Okay, today, boys and girls, we're going to go over your vocabulary spelling words again. And remember when you're in here together that your voices are at a zero, which means no talking unless I call on you or ask you a question. I'm going to give you the definition and you're going to give me the word that goes with it to your spelling words. So I'm going to read you the definition and you guys are going to tell me the word. I'll give you the easiest one first. Operation to treat an injury or illness. Surgery. Good job. To show or prove to be right or reasonable. Justify. Good job. Truly what something is said to be authentic.
I got three.
You know it.
Yeah.
Genuine. Genuine. Authentic is genuine. Yep. A daily record of news and events of a personal nature, a diary.
Journal.
Yep. Strength and vitality are required to sustain physical or mental activity. Yep. An extremely famous or notorious person. Legend. Good job, Corey. A great size or extent. Huge or enormous. Yep. The greater number. Starts with an M.
Majority.
Yep, good job, majority. And the last one is the one I accidentally gave you guys earlier. I'm going to try not to say the word. Feeling or showing envy of someone, of their achievements and advantages. Jealous. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to, if you guys want to all grab a worksheet from the middle and a pencil and flip it to the back side where it has the same. We're going to do this part together. It's on your worksheet, so you can read it. You can read along on your worksheet or you can read along on the board. But it says Jackie Joyner Kersee is a legend in the history of women's sport, an Olympic gold medal winner. She is a genuine heroine in her hometown of East St. Louis. With boundless energy, she raised money to establish a club for boys and girls. The majority of visitors are amazed to see the fine gymnasium, librarian, and computer lab. Miss Joyner Kersee certainly did not need to justify the expense of providing children with a fine place for learning and exercise. So, if Corey, you want to come up here first and underline one of the words is misspelled. There's 5 misspelled vocab words. Can you pick one of them? Yeah, this word is really nice too. Legend. Do you want to grab the chalk and then spell it correctly on the board? I'll hold this board. Good job. Yep. Legend. Legend. So they had a J and it should actually be a G. Okay, good job, Corey. Presley, if you want to come up here and underline the next word or a word that's you see that's spelled incorrect. Okay, and you just spell the word. Go. There's one letter wrong in the word that you need to fix. Does anybody know how to tell her how to spell genuine? No. G. Yep. So the very beginning is wrong. The rest is correct. N-E. Look how it's spelled up here. It's all correct except for the very. Yep. Good job, Preston. Brittany, if you want to come up here and find the next word that's spelled wrong, or a word that's spelled wrong. There's 5 of them. Good job. And if you want to spell it correctly on the board. Corey, do you want to have another turn and tell me what else is spelled or wrong? Do you know what other one's missing?
Well,
Justify, yep, justify is spelled with a G and it needs to have a J. Yep, you knew.
oh,
That's the sound nobody wants to hear.
yeah, so it's on. I'm better than
Justify, good job. And there's one last word that is misspelled. Who wants to do it, Presley or Brittany? Okay, go. Only one letter wrong. Try again.
Yes.
What letter are we focusing on this week? G and J. So if the G is in there, what do you think belongs? Yep. Okay. Good job. So we found our misspelled words. And now if you guys want to continue working on your work. Any more questions? Yep. They're supposed to write them again on their line. So you can keep practicing. Pretty make sure you write yours on your lines. Or if you're all done with that, you can work on the other side. Okay, boys and girls, when you guys are all finished with your worksheets, we are going to take our spelling test. And Chrissy, you're going to use the pencil and paper again. And then Brittany, you're going to use the magnets and the magnetiles. And Corey, you're going to tell me your spelling words orally like we worked on yesterday, okay? You're going to be quiet so the girls can't hear you this time. Good idea.